This exercise is the Clubbell side to side swing. So we just need one Clubbell for this exercise. You're going to begin in, like many other Clubbell exercises, the order position. So forearms are 90 degrees, your elbows are pinned at the side. We're holding on with two hands. So to start the side swing, you want to rotate your hips, and then you're gonna throw the Clubbell out, allowing it to swing to the other side. But at the same time, we're going to pivot our hips, rotate our core, and then bring the Clubbell up to 90 degrees on each side. You don't need to go any higher than 90. So we'll just demonstrate. So order, rotate, throw, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. And I'm really pivoting through the hips and my core. And also track the Clubbell with your eyes, so your whole body is rotating on each side. And just keep a very secure grip. Because of the weight distribution, the Clubbell is kind of going to pull out away from you. So just be careful. So yeah, great exercise for your core. Also opening up your hips. I would compare it to similar to a Russian twist. If you've used that with a medicine ball, it's a similar kind of feeling to that motion. So great for your obliques. Yeah, really, really cool exercise.